Alright, we're here with Burkett, not an unfamiliar face to this channel. You know, he seems to always be doing something to warrant an interview. Speak to us about your performance today.
Well, first we have to thank God for the victory. It wasn't an easy game. We have to go out there and fight for the 3 points, so thank God for the victory.
Alright, so you guys went into the half up, right? And as soon as KC came out in the second half, they stood on your guys' throat and they managed to score 2 early goals. Explain to us what was going through your head after those 2 goals were scored.
Well, we knew that they will come back running at us. The coach told us that. So we weren't frightened. We were calm and we knew that we could win the match. So we just stayed patient and took our opportunities. And
the second goal that was scored, it was due to a goalkeeping error. How did you guys react to that situation, and how did you guys manage to bounce back from such a soft goal?
Well, no man is perfect, so we just encourage him and go again.
Alright, so speak to us about the third goal that George scored. You know, it was almost a gift, but you took it with such grace and class. Explain to us what was going through your head the moment when the Kingston College defender made the errant pass to you.
Well, you just have to stay patient, wait and with that 1 lapse, 1 error, and I capitalize on it.
Alright, so this was the top of the table clash, a big match. We know that George's versus KC is a big time rivalry. Speak to us about the feeling you had going into this game, and speak to us about how you feel now that the game is over.
Well, we felt very confident, we were humble, so let's go out there with the aim to get the 3 points and follow the coaching instruction, and we did that today.
Alright, going forward, you know, you guys have all but secured qualification to the second round. Will we be seeing more of this from St. George's going forward?
Yes. No, we have an aim, and that is the aim, so we're out of the first round now, so just stay focused to get the title.
Alright, good game.